It's for my birthday.
It's for my birthday. It's for my...
Hello, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Life Learner. I know, it's been a minute, hasn't it? I've been AWOL for such a long time. But yes, work has just been keeping me busy. It just goes in the way of life, unfortunately. But well, hey, I'm here. I hope everyone's been good. Yeah. I've got something exciting. Like, I'm excited. I have been wanting this piece for such a long time. I've been waiting for it for quite a while. I've been saving for it for some time, and now it's finally here. I was actually thinking about getting this when I go to travel overseas, which is going to be sometime next year, but like I thought, no, I might as well just get my name on the wait list, and because it's such a popular piece and everybody kind of wants it, and of course because, you know, supply and demand, if a lot of people want it, of course the supply is going to be low or it's hard to get. So it's finally arrived. We are going to be unboxing. I'm so excited. It's my birthday. Actually not. It's a gift from me for my birthday. It's just not until next month, but I did something damaging to the pocket and to my bank account, but I got it. It's for my birthday.
It's for my birthday.
It's for my birthday. Alrighty, let's get to it. Let's unbox. So it came and it needed a signature. I bought it online. Okay, so how do we do this? Do it. So what is this? What I got for me? Like, I wanted this so bad. I tried it on in store. I'm gonna actually insert a clip when I tried it on in store. A minute. Guess what I ordered? Right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Stop. I did it. It's such a beautiful box. Look at the artwork. Oh, let me just take that out. Aren't you a pretty little thing? No, you're not little. You're big. And you hurt my bank account. I paid for this with my own money, okay? That's why I work so hard. Stop. This is the most beautiful box I've ever seen. Do they always come like this? I want to know. Because this is my first Van Cleef piece. Oh my god. I can't. She's too pretty. I love it. I'm sensing Luck of the Irish. It's giving Luck of the Irish. Love it. Alright. Let's open her up. Make sure you can see. Let me move you back a little bit. She's pretty. You know, that's just the box. She's very pretty. So there's a gift bag. What is this? So this is the back. They have attached, like if you want to give this as a gift. That's that. And then the gift bag. It's pretty cute. Small. And this is just a cardboard to hold the thing, and it's stable. Oh, what's this? What is this? This is the actual jewelry. What is this? It must be the box of chocolate, do you think? I love the artwork. I really do. Oops. Okay. Let's unwrap her. I feel like this is a box of chocolate. Gosh, I'm excited. I'm more excited for the chocolate than opening the actual jewelry. Well, is this the actual jewelry? And if that is, then what do you think is in here? Do you think it's the warranty? Maybe? Yeah, I think so. Ooh. It is the actual jewelry. She's so pretty. Let's see if I can open it with just one hand. Come on, baby. Let me open you up. Oh my golly, she is perfect. I've never seen anything perfect before. Get out of town. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I actually don't want to touch it. I don't want to leave my fingerprints on the clothes. She's beautiful and she's mine. Oh my goodness. Love it. So I tried this in store. I was gonna get the hammered one, but then the SA said, you know what, this piece is actually, you know, it speaks your personality. So I tried it on. I'm actually showing you a video right now when I tried it on in store, and the SA was saying, you know what, this is definitely your bracelet, this is your style. And I agree. I thought that he was just upselling because this was way more expensive than the hammered one. This is the guilloche shape version. Because it's gold, a lot of people actually don't like this because, you know, solid gold, it's malleable. The shape gets distorted. That's how you know it's real. It's made of real gold. Yeah, but the hammered one, you can wear it daily. You shouldn't be worried about, you know, leaving marks or scratches to it. But this one, it looks good on me. I love it. She's timeless. She's just, and then when I wore it on my wrist, the SA was just like saying, it's just like you know, she's just there. She doesn't need to tell you she's there, but she's there. Oh, she is there. She is on your wrist. All right. So she is perfect. I love it. I love her. What should I name her? Anyway, let's close the box first. So if this is not the box of chocolate, because I've heard they only give you a box of chocolate in store, which is kind of a shame, because like I was in such a hurry to get my hands on this one because it's such a limited piece. I ordered it online right away as soon as my SA said it's in stock, and you know, if I didn't want to wait until I get to the store, because when I get there I might not have it, and they might not have it anymore, because they said there's only one that came in store. There's only one in stock. So yeah, I had to, like, when the opportunity knocks, what do you do? What do you do, people? You say yes. Thank you for your purchase. We hope that your Van Cleef and Arpels creation will bring you much happiness and give you so much enjoyment as we had creating it. We look forward to welcoming you soon at one of our boutiques. I do too. But I hope you send me the box of chocolate. I really do, because I love chocolates. Okay, so what is this? It's the certificate of authenticity. I love jewelry, guys. If you can't already tell, because I feel like they're a good investment. You can sell them if you really need to. It's a good investment that it, you know, appreciates over time. So this is your carrying pouch. So that's it, my lovelies. Are you happy? I definitely am, and thank you for unboxing this with me. So that is it for now, my lovelies. Thank you for unboxing this with me. It's such a joy and like a momentous moment for me, because it was such a big purchase, and I could have waited. I could have saved a few hundreds of dollars if I, you know, think about buying this overseas. But I thought, even overseas, it's difficult to actually get your hands on these, because it's just, you know, luck, really. If you go to a boutique, you ask if, you know, something is available, if this specific bracelet is available. Most of the time it's not, and you're only there for like a week or two maximum. So it's like, you know, what are the chances that I could get my hands on one? Plus the price would definitely increase, because it has increased twice this year. So like, you know what, I'm gonna put my name out there. I'm gonna put my name on the wait list, and if it comes to me, it comes to me. And of course, yes, I don't chase, darlings, I attract. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I will definitely post another video of me trying this on, so I hope you keep watching, or you watch the next video. But anyways, for now, thank you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.